Jerking. Oh god damn it. So as you can see here, we have our orange sticks, and we're just gonna kind of chop them up into even smaller, but still orange sticks. Now look at this method that I'm doing right here. So the knife goes in like this, with the sharp part sticking into the orange stick. But don't worry, it's not living anymore, so you don't have to worry about it screaming or nothing. Alright, so then you just want to give it a... Alright, now let's keep on going here. We're almost done. Except we have a whole other carrot that I just now realized I have to do. And a cucumber as well. Alright, we'll do that. And to keep it interesting, we'll flop. We'll go straight to the cumber. The cuke, if you will. Now, I don't remember how I did this last time. So, what we're going to do is just kind of cut it randomly and just kind of see what happens. So I guess we'll start in the middle because symmetry is pretty cool, and it'll look really cool, the reveal from the inside here. So we'll just give it a nice little ka-ching, followed by a ka-chong. Ah, there we go. Look at that. That's a nice looking cuke right there. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Don't look at that. Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. Dude, that spaghetti is still there. Holy shit. That thing's been up there for so long. Huh? Don't forget to always wash your hands and work in a nice sanitized area. Probably not like this one. Alright, now we're just gonna give it some chops, some cuts, some plows, and what other else sounds like a chop? Twing, more like a there we go. Yeah, it's all about the sh sound. Listen, that's well, it's more of a but like, you know, if this was a little bit more sharp, this is a little blunt, this is a little blunt knife here, so that's why we're not getting that sh sound as pristine as we could be having it right now. Yeah, I realized I didn't, so normally, what we did, we're just gonna keep the top part in, because, you know, what's a couple of seeds gonna hurt?